Today we're going to be mounting a retractable reel to the overhead guard using the power supply clamp. To start mounting the retractable reel to the overhead guard, we'll start with the power supply clamp and get it ready to mount over top of the bar in the overhead guard. So see, we have the 3/8 bolt through both plates and a nut on the back side. And then we will hang power supply clamp over the bar. We will take our 3/8 bolt, slide it through the back side, ensure the eyelet from the cable reel goes through the 3/8 bolt, then the clamp on the back side, push the bolt all the way through, then take the nut back side, run it on, then turn the clamp to ensure that the reel is as far up to the overhead guard as you can. And once you get that into position, finger tighten the hardware into place. Once you have the nuts finger tightened on the bolts, we'll take a 9/16 wrench, turn the clamp so it's up against the overhead guard bar, and we'll put the wrench on and tighten the nuts down into place. With the retractable reel and the given hook, we like to take the scan gun and put a key ring on the hole. That way we can easily clasp the scanner onto the reel. With this retractable reel, you can adjust the tension with the knob on the side by following the arrows to increase tension, and then to release the tension, simply push in the top button. With this retractable reel, you can also adjust the cable stop so that you have the right distance from the scanner pocket to the reel to ensure that there is enough slack in the cable so that the scanner also doesn't just fall out.